morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to today's vlog. So today I am going to IKEA, so I'm going to take you guys along, but I'm doing something that I've never done before. I'm going to be using the bus. Okay, I have never used the bus in this country before, and I've really been looking forward to actually riding on the bus. I have also never entered the metro, so I'm going on the bus today and the metro, and I'm going to take you guys along. Okay, please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. If you are new, my name is Joy Ero, and I hope you enjoy this vlog. You guys, I'm looking very simple and nice. I just packed my hair up like this, and let me show you guys the full fit. Hi guys, so guys, I'm wearing these shirts and these belts I got from Shein. I know you guys have seen it in the vlog. If you've not seen it, I'll link it for my Shein haul. And these leggings, and I'm wearing these shoes I got from ASOS. I look very simple and smart because I really want to be able to like move around, and I'll be going with Jesse. Okay, I'll be going with Jesse today. He's here and he's ready, and come along, you guys. Let's just have this experience together. I'm very excited. I'm very excited about this trip today, and going with my NOR card. Before you can go on a ride with the bus or with the metro, you need this card, which is the ROTA card. So Papi just gave me this one, and I'm excited. I'm really excited. Let's just go and see what this whole public transportation thing looks like. I'll see you guys in the next clip. So guys, the bus just passed now, so I'm about to go enter. Yeah, come. Good morning. Oh, how was it? Hi, good morning. Let's sit here. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. So guys, I entered the bus. Unknowingly to me, I needed to scan my card, the bus card, before entering, but I didn't know because it's my first time, like I said. So I just went in, and the driver had to remind me to go scan my bus ticket, my bus card, and there's a fine of I think 200 dirhams or 250 dirhams if you don't scan your tickets before you your card before you come in. So in case you are using the bus, always make sure you have your card or you pay in the machine or something. I don't know how to do it, but if you go into the bus without your card or without paying, you are definitely going to be fined. Okay, so this is me just scanning my card, and you need to scan when you're coming in and also when you're coming out. So I just decided to sit right in front, at least it's closer to the driver, and you guys just enjoy the remaining of the video.
Road Central, Officers Park. Bus station.
So guys, my experience on this ride is very good. In fact, I had a wonderful time on this bus. To be honest, It's really neat and clean and well organized. There are cameras on the bus, so everything is recorded. It's so nice, and the price for the trip was 5 dirhams from my house to this mall, and also going back it's 5 dirhams, and there are buses every 30 minutes. Even though he had to stop at some places to pick up passengers, it was still not a bad one. It's a good experience, but I couldn't go on the train, on the metro, because by the time I finished what I was doing, it was time for pickup for school and I couldn't continue. But I'm definitely going to go on a metro very soon, and I'll also take you guys along. Anyways, you guys continue with the vlog. I'm here now and I'm just going to go into IKEA and do what I need to do.
A few moments later.
So guys, I just got to IKEA and I'm thinking of getting a plant pot, but this one, don't like it so much. I like this. I love this. This is so cheap, guys. 175. This is nice, but my sons, they will break this flower, this vase. Oh my god, guys, just take a look at this kitchen. It's so beautiful. Wow, I love this kitchen. I absolutely love it. This is something that I think I need in my kitchen. I need this. This is not bad. I think this is what I'm looking for. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for. 105 dirhams. Christmas is almost here, guys. Like, oh my goodness, guys, take a look at this kitchen. I naturally don't like black kitchen, but this is not bad if you ask me. This mirror is just everywhere looking at me, and it's so beautiful. This is nice. So guys, I'm back here. We are back here waiting for the bus to take us back home. This place is noisy. I'll talk to you guys when we get home. Jesse, did you have fun today? You had fun.
Much later.